But blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. Jeremiah chapter 17, verses 7. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am going to share something that is very important. I absolutely love sorghum leaves in my waakye. It's absolutely important to have it. But raise your hands if you think they are very messy. It's 2025. Who like mess? Who likes that? I have dealt with sorghum leaf wahala for way too long, so it's time. I felt it is time to get things done. I'm going to show you how to put this into a powdered form just to make all your waakye experience such a pleasant one without you needing to pick up the leaves from the waakye once you're done. So this is what you have to do if you are like me looking for answers like this. So in a bowl, put in a good amount of water and add a teaspoon or a half tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it very well together and find you some paper towel. You're going to go ahead and clean your leaves. Please remember we are going to turn this into a powdered form, so you do not want this to get wet. So just scrub it like this on your screens. Gently clean it as you see me do here, and it is best way to get rid of the rodent touches in on the leaves. These are leaves and it can easily be attracted to insect and rodent, so making this way is the best way to get it clean. All right, so go ahead and do this. Repeat until you're done with all the leaves. I know it will take a while, but because you're doing it at home, it's going to end up in your stomach, so you have to think about your health. So do it and make sure it's nice and clean. All right, if you buy them outside, I bet you're not going to be very sure if this process was being done. So once you're done with that, go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces like this. If you have a chopper using your food processor, you can definitely use that as well. It goes a little bit faster. All right, so once I'm done cutting and chopping it into pieces like this, I am going to transfer these in my food processor, and I'm going to use it to even cut them into smaller pieces, and then I'll transfer it to my magical machine that I have in the house. It is one of the smallest appliances that I have, but it works so magical. That is my coffee grinder. I need to really invest in that because it does wonders. What you're trying to do is to turn this into a powdered form. Okay, so I'm using first my food processor, as you see. It can be very dusty, so this is what we got. So I'm going to just strain it with my coriander and to get a lot more of the powder out before I transfer it in my coffee grinder. If you have a powerful blender that can do this for you at once, that will be very good. There's so many health benefits that this sorghum leaves offers. It is so good to control your blood sugar levels. It is packed with antioxidants, and it's even good for any one of us, most of us who want to lose weight. It is just so good to incorporate in your meals. That's why a lot of people mark waakye as one of the best rice recipes you could ever have. Okay, however, this is grass, so it can be related to some allergy issues. If you have this and you have some swollen mouth and any rashes or whatsoever, you just want to go ahead and stop. This coffee grinder always delivers. I need to invest in a bigger one. It is just so amazing. Just have a look at this. It turned into powdered form so quick. So I'm here just to make sure that I don't have too much rough, leaves in it. So I'm going to strain it with my strainer or coriander like this. Shake until you get a very fine powder. And this, the one that it's a bit rough or sandy, do not throw away. I'll show you what you can do with it very soon. So here we are. Our powder is done. It is so easy. Oh my my goodness, my life has become so super easy. So I'm going to put this in a container and it will be there. All I need when I'm making my waakye is just a teaspoon, and my waakye is going to be nice and colorful, and I'm going to enjoy such a nice experience without me bothering or taking out the leaves from the waakye. I have one child of mine who will not eat waakye just because he saw the leaves in it some other time, and I have to really find ways to make him enjoy waakye this time, and this has been such a lifesaver. Just imagine, little changes make a huge difference. And here I'm putting everything in my container, and I'm going to just cover it and use it whenever I need it, in my waakye or even in my tea. And yes, there you have it. Very easy. Life can be very, very easy. All right. So for the one that is a bit sandy, what I do is turn them into tea. So I am going to pick out my tea bag, and in each tea bag I'm going to put a teaspoon of my dry sorghum leaf in here. And now I have my sorghum leaf tea. It is very, very great and immune booster. It is absolutely amazing. If you do not know, sorghum leaf contain a good amount of antioxidants. It fights against bacteria and viruses, which works against your immunity. So it's always good to have this tea maybe every evening, and you're going to see great results. I've already shared how to make your sorghum leaves tea or drink, and it's just so great. I'm going to link it here and below so that you get to know. So this is me putting some of my sorghum leaf powder in my waakye that I was preparing. It came out so good. All that I needed is just a teaspoon, and voila, it came out perfect. The color was top notch. It was just like the Amalia waakye they sell on the street. So fam, you do not have to stress yourself anymore. It is so good. And if you want to turn this into tea, all that you have to do is warm some water, put in some lemon, fresh lemon, or maybe lemon juice if you don't have fresh lemon, and a bit of honey. Boy, this tea is so good. You have to be trying it. You will love it, and it makes you feel so well. It's a wellness shot, and I absolutely recommend it to you. Okay, so all that you have to do is just put it in your hot water. Just allow it to sit for just about few seconds or a minute, and there you have it. It's just like making your tea, and you're going to really truly enjoy, and it feels so good afterwards. Look at what you can do with your regular Ghanaian dried sorghum leaves. It's just amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you're going to try this out and make your life easy in the kitchen. Hey, it's 2025. We don't have time for stress. Okay, so thanks so much, family, for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.